In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your FTMO account to MetaTrader 5. Before we jump into the platform, make sure you already have your FTMO account set up and that you have all the login credentials you need. This usually includes your trading account number, your password, and the correct server name provided by FTMO. It's a good idea to keep this information handy in a document or notes app so you can copy and paste it without making mistakes. Now, open MetaTrader 5 on your computer. Once MT5 is open, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the File menu. This is where you can manage different accounts and connections inside the platform. From the File menu, select the option that says Open an Account. This opens a new window where you can search for and add different trading servers. In the search field, start typing FTMO. Give it a moment while MT5 looks for the available FTMO servers. When the list appears, look for FTMO Global Market Limited and click on it. This is a server you want to use to connect your FTMO trading account to MetaTrader 5. After selecting it, continue to the next screen. On the next screen, you'll see options to either create a new account or log into an existing one. Choose the option that says Log into an existing account. This tells MT5 that you already have your FTMO account details and just want to connect them to the platform. Now carefully follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be asked to enter your FTMO account number as the login, your trading password, and to confirm that the selected server is the FTMO one you chose earlier. Double check each field before you continue because a small typo can prevent you from logging in. Once everything looks correct, confirm your entries. If the credentials are right and your internet connection is stable, MT5 should connect to your FTMO account. You'll usually see the connection status in the bottom right corner of the platform, and your account balance and details will appear in the terminal or toolbox window. At this point, your FTMO account is linked to MetaTrader 5, and you're ready to monitor the market, place trades, and manage your positions directly through the platform. If you run into any issues, simply repeat the process slowly, or check the exact login details provided by FTMO to ensure they match what